Hello students, I am Vipul Mittal, and in this session I will discuss risk assessment procedures and external factors. So you are the auditor and you obtain an understanding of the entity, its environment, including its internal control, to assess the risk of material misstatement. So you obtain an understanding of the entity, its environment, including its internal control. This includes obtaining an understanding of various external factors external to the entity. So you obtain understanding of various external factors. Here I will classify these factors into three categories: industry factors, regulatory factors, and other external factors. Industry factors, regulatory factors, and other factors. So you obtain understanding of industry factors. In which industry the entity operates? What is the market? What is competition? Whether these activities are seasonal or non-seasonal? What product technology they are using? So you obtain an understanding of various industry factors, and this is part of your risk assessment exercise. And you also obtain understanding of various regulatory factors. What is the regulatory body? What are the labor laws? What are tax laws? What are the government policies regarding this business? What are environmental regulations affecting the industry? So you also consider regulatory factors, laws, regulations, government policies. There are other external factors also that you consider. Here I am talking about general external factors. What are general economic conditions? What is interest rate? What is inflation? Impact of currency devaluation or impact of currency revaluation? Availability of finance. So you as an auditor considers all these external factors when assessing the risk of material misstatement. You perform risk assessment procedures to obtain an understanding of the entity, its environment, including its internal control. And this includes obtaining an understanding of various external factors. These are industry factors, regulatory factors, and other external factors. You obtain this understanding that you may assess the risk of material misstatement properly. Risk of material misstatement at the financial statement level and at relevant assertion level. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye.